Tastes really nice.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Ida Francis here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this tea that will help you lose belly fat. First thing we're gonna be needing is a lemon. This is because lemon is loaded with powerful antioxidants such as vitamin C, which is actually help you burn belly fat. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and protein and carbohydrates. This citric acid is actually very good. And the next thing we're going to be using is the apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps in weight loss as well. And I have here some dry moringa leaves. They're actually very good when it comes to weight loss because moringa contains a lot of helpful nutrients as well. And I'm going to be needing honey. Honey actually acts as a fat burning, and it is a source of energy. So we have to cut the lemon into two, and we're going to be squeezing the juice out. I'm just going to make sure that I have all the juice out. The next thing we're going to do is to repeat the same thing to the orange and extract all the juice out of the orange as well. You could actually use a juicer to get your juice out, or you can use this one, any other one, any one you choose, as long as the juice is out. That is the only thing we need. I did recommend you use natural orange juice. If you're going to buy the orange juice in the market, is fine, but ensure that it is natural. After taking the juice out, I'm gonna add my moringa leaves, about a teaspoon of the moringa leaves. I'm just stirring it a little. Then I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of my honey. The stirring is just for it to mix very well and nothing else. Then I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. The last and definitely not the least is my hot water. Okay, so after adding the hot water, I'm just gonna stir it for some time. What I usually do is that I just cover it and allow it to simmer for at least 10 minutes, then I drink it. I usually drink this at night before I go to bed so that it's gonna help me detoxify my system while I sleep. You can repeat this every day, but make sure you're consistent, do exercise, and also cut down on your food. Bye.